How are you all? Nurullah from Abu Dhabi. Always, your perspective is the baseline for your peace of mind. It depends purely and solely on your perspective, whether you are grateful for what you have or you are complaining on what you don't have. For instance, let's assume a situation whether a person lost his job and he got a job but with less salary than what he was earning before for the past, let's say, 10 years. And the amount of reduction in the salary is 50% less than what he was earning in his last employment. Despite the fact that it is 50% less salary, the perspective can be the following. And number one, oh my God, I got the reduced salary than what I was getting before. It's like a great decline and decreased trend line in my the whole career in terms of the salary. How can I do this actually? Perhaps I should not have accepted this offer. Then you are comparing your salary with your friends and the previous colleagues of the employees with whom you were working before. Oh, I'm getting much less salary, and you are always preoccupied with a complaining tone, which makes you frustrating, which makes you despairing, and which makes you always not satisfied and content on what you have in terms of the job that you got with a reduced salary. There is a different scenario. After getting this offer, the person is feeling, Alhamdulillah, all praise be to Allah. I mean, all praise be to the Almighty. At least I got this job. Despite the fact that there is a reduction in my salary, at least I have a job to earn money to support my family, no matter what the amount is. And I have to be grateful to God. Most of my friends with whom I was working with, they lost their jobs and they were struggling. They have still been struggling to get a job for the past 1 year or a couple of years. Still they didn't land a job. Fortunately, after a minimal period of 3 months after losing my job, I got this job. Salary reduction is not a matter, and I can prove myself in this job to get a great performance and to make myself upgrading in my career. Even if I don't get a career progression in this job, I will do my job with utmost gratitude and gratefulness to the God and to the employer who selected me. And this content and this perspective makes your peace of mind. In the second scenario, the person feels complete peace and happiness and content and satisfaction, which takes him to the next level. Of course, he will not stay there for a long, and by default he would be moving, he should be moving. But imagine the plight of the first scenario. The person in the first scenario, he is complaining and he would keep on complaining, which will prevent him from doing his best, which eventually adversely affect his performance, and he would be further declining and diminishing in terms of his career progression. So see, the perspective makes a person, whether he is happy, peaceful, or the other way around. Always be a person of gratitude. Be grateful for what you possess. And the people with gratefulness and gratitude never fail, because they always put their efforts, they keep on continuing their efforts and hard work, and they are grateful on what they have. This is one example of job. A person with a bicycle, and he doesn't have a motorbike can be jealous. At the same time, he can be happy that Alhamdulillah, I got this, at least this bicycle. I can imagine the people who are walking. And the person who is walking can be jealous of the person having the bicycle, while he can be grateful for the fact that there are people who don't have legs to walk, who are physically challenged, but they couldn't walk. It is all perspective. Perspective determines your happiness peacefulness and your whole personality. If you are grateful on what you have no forces to stop you from progressing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a fantastic day ahead.